In this video, I will show you how to create Discord accounts on PC. Discord is a great application service which allows you to create communities and chat with your friends as well as set up servers. To get started, open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and in a Google search for Discord. What you then want to do is click onto the result, which is at the top, which is going to take you across to the official website, discord.com. From here, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the login button. What that's going to do is take you to the login screen like this, and if you look underneath the blue login button, you're going to see an option to register for a new account. So all you need to do is click the register link, and then what you can do is fill in this form. So you just need to enter your email, display name, username, password, and your date of birth. After doing this, what you want to do is come down to the bottom, tick the box to read and agree to Discord's terms of service and privacy policy. And there is a optional box here as well, which if you want Discord to send you emails with updates, tips and special offers, you can tick the box here, but this one is optional, you don't have to. Once you've filled in this form, at the bottom, the blue create account button is going to highlight, so give that a click and that's going to create your account. Then at this point, there might be a quick human verification to do, so you just want to run through and do that next. And once you've completed that, what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this where you can create your first Discord server. So if you want to create a server, select create my own and go through the steps. Or alternatively, you can cross this off and just start using Discord as normal. Now at this point, you need to check your email to verify your account and keep your current username. So if you check your email, check your junk and spam folders. And there should be an email in there from Discord with the option to verify your account so you can keep your current username. So that is how to create a Discord account on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. Then make sure to leave a like on the video and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.